Right? So remember, anything that seems complicated, we can do very easily if we just break it down step by step, which is what we're doing right now with my fabulous cinematographer, Elizabeth. So here's the deal. The beginning is the whole invocation, and then we start the actual dance itself. When she says, I walk through that door, door is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that's what you count, and then you start always with your right. You're just going to walk for 4. Right, left, left. You're going to step out that way with your right foot, but don't put all your weight on it. Just step out and come back. Then your left foot, step out and come back. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, step. Then you're going to walk again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we do the pivot. The pivot that's like, oh no, I forgot something. So you turn around, step back. Oh no, I have it after all. There. The pivot is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that whole beginning part is 1, 2, 3, 4. Step to the right, step to the left, right foot, 2, 3, 4, and then you pivot. Okay? Now I'm going to do it this way so you can see what I'm talking about. So you're not mirroring me. You can actually see it. Look, my bottom looks okay.
It's fantastic.
1, 2, 3, 4. Step out, and right, 2, 3, 4, and then you pivot. That's the first part. See, you thought it was going to be hard.
You're looking at 144.
Thank you. The next part is going to be the box step. You can sort of imagine that there's a box on the ground. You're going to step out with your right foot again. Step out with your right foot. You can cross with your left. Then you step back to the back right corner of the box. And then back with your left. So you step, you cross, you step, you're back. You're going to do that 2 times. The box step goes 1, 2, right, left. Right, cross, right, left. Then on your right hand side, you put all your weight on your right foot, turn your left knee in, and just go 1, 2. They call that a swag. And then you're going to do the same thing on the left. 1, 2. So this whole section goes 1, cross, back, back, right, cross, back, back, and step, swag, swag, step, swag, swag. We're halfway there.